All right, good morning. I'm going to do this live video as I get my Monday morning coffee. But why use a financial advisor? They cost money. Does it make sense to use them? Why should you use them? We wrote recently, and it was Jeremy Sharp, wrote an awesome blog article that kind of detailed a lot of that. And moneywellrooted.com/blog, and you can go ahead and check it out. There's 3 really good points in there. But really, as a whole, there are so many amazing technologies where you can get your finances handled on your own. You can do it yourself with your investments. And one of the companies that you can do it yourself with is a company called Vanguard. And they are the largest asset manager in the country. But even them did a study. And as part of that study, they said that you're going to get, on average, up to a 3% return higher with a financial planner than you would if you're trying to do it yourself, which makes sense because a financial planner it's their job. It's what they do every day, all day, where it's likely that's not what your job is, to do this every day, all day. But I think it's more about where your mind is at, where your head is at when it comes to your investments. The return is important, but what about your goals? Are your investments in line with your goals? And if you're the type of person who appreciates having something like that handled, then a financial advisor is a good person for you because they'll be able to ask you the right questions to ensure that everything is going to align with your goals best. But if you're the type of person who just has like disdain for paying for certain things, like financial advice or like having your investments managed, you need to do a do-it-yourself option. But if you're the type of person who is worried and stressed or just wants to stay in your own lane and have someone else handle it for you, then you're going to appreciate the statistically, on average, extra returns, the peace of mind for the goals, and everything else that comes along with that. So have an awesome Monday. It is coffee time. If you guys haven't been to our office, you need to come. It's great. You'll enjoy it. Most people fall into YouTube holes that aren't productive. Subscribe or check out some of our other videos by clicking over here, and I promise it'll be a YouTube hole worth your while.